Hello everyone, this is Hrishikesh Reddy. My roll number is 21CS30028 and I am from Section 15. What you see here is a ultrasonic diversion alerting device made for my DIY assignment 2. Its use is to alert people passing by of a road crash or work in progress and instructing them to make a diversion. The main principle of this device is the ultrasonic sensor, which reads the distance between itself and the approaching person and alerts the remaining components such as these LED lights and this piezo speaker, which then try to gain the attention of the person and instruct them of the diversion. First of all, let's see how it works. Now, once I start my simulation, if the person over here is at a distance of 266 centimeter from the ultrasonic sensor, only the green LED over here glows and the piezo speaker and the red LED do not work. While you can see that the current in it is 8 milliampere, while over here it's 0. Because only the switch 9 is on when the distance between them is greater than 100 centimeters. While the person tries to approach it within its vicinity of 100 centimeters, you can see that automatically this becomes 0 and this becomes 8 milliampere and this becomes off while red LED starts glowing. And you can also hear the piezo speaker trying to make some kind of noise to gain the attention of the person. That's the basic working of my device. Now let's look at the code. Here I've programmed the code using blocks. First I've created a variable known as input sensor and I've set its value to be equal to the value read by the ultrasonic distance sensor, whose trigger is at pin 6 and echo is at pin 5, while taking its value in centimeters. I've also instructed the ultrasonic sensor to print the value of the distance, which is basically the value of input sensor in both centimeters and inches. Why? And then I wrote a if else statement, which gives a condition on the variable input sensor. If it is less than 100 centimeter, I've instructed it to set the pin 8 and 10 to high, which basically the 10 represents the red light, and 8 represents the speaker. So if these two are set high, when the distance is less than 100, those two will start working, but the green one will not work. And the reverse happens when the distance between them is greater than 100 centimeters, as we have already seen in the working. Now let's test this out in the IDE of Arduino. I'm going to copy this code. I've pasted it. It's compiling. As you can see, there is no error in the code and the compilation is done successfully. Thank you.